Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, we've got a bit of a different start. As you can see, we're not in the van. We're actually going to go pick up the van right now. It just got repaired. A few big things like struts, the CV axle, sway bar links. I believe that's all. Took about 2 days, so that's a pretty good turnaround. Hurt the pockets a bit, but that's all right. It was much needed. This is the first big thing I've had to do since I've got the van, so can't complain too much. But yeah, so we're going to go pick it up now, and we've got one detail today. It's an interior detail, and then tomorrow we've got a big day at the office. So with that being said, I will see you guys in a second, most likely when we're picking the van up. All right, almost 12 hours later, and I've got a lot to update you guys on, kind of. So basically, went to the shop where I expected my van to be done, and like most garages do, they have an excuse as to why it's not finished on time like they said it would be. But yeah, I'm not gonna get into it. You see I'm in the van now, but I definitely did miss the one detail that I had today, and it's a bummer because I detailed this car once before previously. Was a nice guy, and he wanted to rebook, and yeah, I just hate, first of all, missing out on clients. You know, I booked something expecting to be able to get the job done, and I had to turn around and say why I couldn't get it done. So not a fun thing to do as an owner. At least I don't like doing it. Yeah, it gave me a full free day, but not really what I care about right now. So, yeah, was able to pick the car up about 8 hours later than expected. I got given a couple excuses as to why that was the case, but nonetheless, the car is driving good now, so I'm happy regardless. So with that being said, as I said before, we've got a big day tomorrow. I believe 4 cars, maybe 5 if I can fit it in. We've got 5 details, so I'll definitely be picking you guys back up for that. I'm currently headed home right now. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. I'm not going to go into the drama about it, but I wasn't a happy camper when I did hear the news. I guess that's just life when it comes to dealing with getting your car repaired. And like I said, I thought a 2-day turnaround time was good, but obviously too good to be true. All good. We move past that and we look forward to the next day. I don't know if you guys can hear my voice. I hear it still. I'm on day 11 right now of my sickness. I finally went and picked up medicine, as I did go to the urgent care yesterday. So I've got like 5 days of antibiotics and I should finally be better. I feel fine. It's kind of just been my voice that's been messing with me. So enough rambling. I know you guys are here to see cars and watch transformations. So I'll pick you guys back up tomorrow morning, bright and early, 6:30 a.m. See you then. Just arrived to the first and only location today. We have about 3 or 4 details depending on who shows up. But we have our first car here. It's a maintenance detail. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we're working with. So as you can see, nothing too crazy, normal buildup, but with the WeatherTech mats, it makes it much easier to clean up, and it has the plastic floors on the inside, so should take no longer than 2 hours, and I will see you guys with the final product. you guys? That is a wrap on this Land Rover Defender. Next up, we have a Toyota Tacoma, I believe, pulling up. I will show you guys here in a second as it is pulling up right now. So yeah, see you guys in a sec. So I had it completely wrong. It is a Toyota Tundra, a pretty new one, pretty cool colorway, like that green alien color, platinum edition, for those of you who knows what that means. Yeah, so nice car, maintenance detail as well, and I will go ahead and show you guys what we're working with. So as you can see, nothing too crazy. Good build up. I believe it's been 2 months since I've last detailed this car because I have him and his wife on a alternating maintenance plan. So one car gets done this month, the next car gets done that month. But yeah, so this car should take right around 2 hours, and I will see you guys with the final product. That is a wrap on this Toyota Tundra. Comes out looking beautiful. Took right over 2 hours. Wish it was a little shorter, but it's all good. We are still on time. Next up, we have an Audi, new car for this client. I've done one of their cars before and a motorcycle. They just got this Audi. He mentioned that it has PPF on the front end, and then I believe it's ceramic coated elsewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up now and start on it. So this is basically a full standard detail, not a maintenance detail. So first time seeing it, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with. So as you guys can see, beautiful car in my opinion, Audi A3. I believe it's a newer one because I haven't cleaned one of these with this kind of body style. So this is going to be a fun new car in the rotation. Standard detail, like I said before, since it's a smaller sedan, should take under 2 hours. And I'll see you guys back with the final product. That's how you know the work has been put in. So that is the Audi A4 complete. Beautiful car, as I thought, even when it was a bit dirty. So hope the customer loves it. As I said, this was my first time detailing it. They are joining the maintenance plan. So yeah, I'll be happy to have that car in rotation. Like I said before, right under 2 hours. Next up, we have this Chevy Silverado. This is a maintenance detail. It has been on the channel quite a few times now, probably like 2 or 3, as I've been consistent for 2 or 3 months. So has this customer. So gonna go ahead and start on that next. And then we still have one more car after this one. It is the Polestar 2. I believe it's also been on the channel if you guys have been keeping up with the series or my life, as you could say. And yeah, gonna go ahead and show you guys what we're working with on this Silverado. As you can see, nothing too crazy, normal monthly build-up. This detail should take right around an hour and a half, no more than 2, and I will see you guys with the final product. That is a wrap on this Chevy Silverado. Like I said, we have one more car to get to, Polestar 2, the all-electric vehicle. It is at a separate location, so pack up here, bring the key back to the client, and then we are headed to that next location, and I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, just arrived to the next location, final location, where we have this ceramic-coated Polestar 2 maintenance client as well. Gonna go ahead and show you guys what we're working with, as we aren't on a crunch for time, but want to finish right around 2 hours because I do have somewhere to be at 7 p.m. So let's start the before shots. as we can see, nothing too crazy again, normal buildup, mainly on the exterior, and then light buildup on the interior with some pet hair. So should take right around 2 hours, and I will see you guys with the final product. That is a wrap on this beautiful Polestar. Took, yeah, right under 2 hours. If you guys did enjoy that transformation, as I said earlier, this car is ceramic coated, so it makes the exterior wash much easier. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab something to eat now, and I will see you guys in a bit. That was 5 cars on the day. Started at 8 a.m. It is currently 6 p.m., so 10 hours on the dot. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, made it back home now. It's 9:15 just about. We woke up this morning at 6:30, so what is that, like a 15-hour day or so? I hope you guys did enjoy those 5 details that we did today. It was a long day. Feel it in my body. So I'm gonna rest here, and then we've got 2 to 3 details tomorrow that'll be in the next video, so look forward to that. I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. Been quite consistent, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. So if you guys are enjoying the journey of consistent details and consistent videos, please make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below of anything you'd like to see or change, or any opinions, anything, and I'll be looking forward to that. Other than that, I'm gonna take a shower here and get in bed, so I will see you guys in the next video.